Blackberry Cove Herbal, a little Appalachian herbalism celebrates spiral seasons, East Coast regional plants, and family folk legends. Monthly by month, come with Linda on a magic journey, medicines and recipes. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go, let us go to Blackberry Cove. Through the seasons we rove, West Virginia wilderness grove. Together we cross the sacred clove. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go, let us go to Blackberry Cove. Through the seasons we rove, West Virginia wilderness grove. Together we cross the sacred clove. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go. What is ours in our hours? Picking flowers to hang in our forgotten bowers. We will go, we go to the Appalachian Valley of the Swiss family, Raaaaay Goooes. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go. So sit right back and you will hear a tale of some friendly folk, medicine, tinctures and recipes, and salves and songs and other traditional crafts and things. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go. Ghost stories, family memories, botanical lore, tall tales, and love for the land. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Okay, what is ours and ours in our Appalachian Valley of the Swiss family, Raaaaay Goooes. Grandmother knows what grows, fennel, tansy, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes, Raaaaay Goooes. Let's go.